Today we're going to work on letter P. There's capital P, lowercase p. So first we will write it. When you write capital P, you start with your long line down, and you can frog hop up and make a big curvy line to the middle. That's a long line down, hop back up, big curvy line to the middle. So down here, straight line down, hop back up, big curvy line to the middle. And now lowercase p, remember when we do our lowercase letters, we try not to pick up our pencil. We don't do the hops. So we still start with a long line down on P. Do your long line down, and then you slide back up almost to the top, and then you make your circle. So you start at the top, slide down, slide back up, and then you go make your circle. So there's a circle, and it's not quite like an O, because you start with your line, but you do make your circle shape. Let's try it down here. Line down, slide back up and over to make a circle. And there's lowercase p. All right, let's make it with some Play-Doh. Got my good old blue Play-Doh. Put that to the side there. And we will be needing two pretty long snakes today for both the letters. So I have my two balls. I'm going to roll out and squish. Snake number one. And then roll out and squish snake number two. Get that out of the way so you can see. All right, so on the capital or uppercase P, one of our snakes needs to be the stick, and then the other one goes right at the top, curves around to find the middle. So that's capital P. Now lowercase p looks a lot like it, doesn't it? But remember, it has this little horn here on the top. So we make our line down. Now lowercase p's aren't usually quite as tall as uppercase p, but their line does go under. So it still does have a tail down here. But so you do your line down and you slide back up, and I'm going to hook my Play-Doh where I start to make my circle. So that'll be right here, not at the top. It's a little bit down. And then I curve around and make a circle. So putting that circle in there makes it a little smaller than the big P. Line down, slide back up, and make your circle. And we need to work on our sound too, don't we? So letter P says the sound P, P, P. It's all air going out through your lips. P, P, P. And we'll say it while we trace it. P, 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 P is P. One more time. Is P. And so there is our letter P.